everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew and I'm the Alopecia Ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about our wigs from the perspective of someone who wears wigs daily and has had alopecia for almost my entire life. In today's video, I'm really excited to show you two new styles that just came out recently as part of our Amore line. If you're not familiar with our Amore line, this is a line of wigs designed specifically for people with hair loss in mind. So of course you don't have to have hair loss to wear these wigs, but they are a really fantastic option if you do want something to use if you're experiencing hair loss. Features in the wig cap construction that make the wigs really comfortable, really realistic, and also just very easy to manage. And so this is personally one of my favorite lines that we have. I've been wearing Amore wigs since I was maybe 12 years old or younger on a daily basis practically, and so it's a really great line to check out if you are someone who experiences hair loss. So let's go ahead and jump right into these two new styles that just came out recently. The two new styles that I'm going to show today are Mira and Rohan. So Mira is the one that I'm wearing right now. I have it in two different colors, and then I'll show you Rohan in a bit as well. Starting off with Mira, the color that I'm wearing is Cinnamon Frost-R, and the color that I have here in my hand is Mochaccino R. Of course, all of our wigs come in a wide range of colors, so feel free to check out our website, reneofparis.com, go to the Amore tab, and you can view the full catalog there to see all of the colors that these wigs come in. The cap constructions from the Amore line are absolutely fabulous. They are just so comfortable, even worn directly on my shaved head. They're glueless, so they're really easy to wear without any sort of adhesive, and they also always feel secure as well. Like many of the wigs from the Amore collection, Mira features a monofilament wig cap that gives you a really nice natural look at the top of the scalp and also allows you to change the part in any direction and still have the effect of your natural scalp peeking through. Mira also features a lace front, and this is a wider extended lace front as well, so it goes almost from all the way across the ear tabs, so you have a really wide range in the front where you can really pull the hair back and have that realistic looking effect. So that lace front combined with that monofilament wig cap just gives you complete realism along the hairline and on the top of the cap. This wig also features a fully hand-tied soft net, so like that monofilament on top where the strands are individually sewn in on the top, that also extends along the back of the wig cap. So even as you move the hair along the back, you still have that really natural kind of hand-tied effect there. And then that soft net fabric on top just makes it really, really comfortable just worn directly on my head. You can wear a wig cap, of course, if you want to, but for me, since I already have a shaved head, I just put these wigs directly on, which keeps it really low maintenance and it still feels extraordinarily comfortable directly on my skin. And of course, all of our wigs always include adjustable straps at the nape of the neck to make sure it fits your proper head size. And as long as it's adjusted properly, these wigs feel very secure without any sort of adhesive. Here's Mira all the way around. And here's what that Mochaccino color looks like on as well. This is the color Mochaccino R, and the R means rooted. And the next of the new styles that I'm going to show today is this one here. This one is called Rohan in the color Shaded Amber, this absolutely stunning red color. And Rohan is just an absolutely beautiful kind of shorter to medium length curly wig. Just absolutely stunning. Both Rohan and Mira are heat-friendly styles, so you can also change the way the hair is styled. Whenever you are styling heat-friendly wigs, be sure to check the temperature limit on the fibers to make sure that you know how hot you can get with your hot tools, but it does give you the extra styling flexibility to change the hair texture if you want to. Here's the cap construction for Rohan. You have that monofilament top again, which gives you that really natural looking scalp. Rohan also has that extended lace, so it goes even wider, so you have that really natural looking hairline all the way across the front. This one features open wefting in the back for a nice breathable cap, and of course those adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. Let's go ahead and put Rohan on. Here's how Rohan looks on. This style is just so cute and charming with these beautiful curls, and then of course because the hair is heat friendly as well, you do have the flexibility to change the way it's styled if you want to. With that lace front and that monofilament cap, you have that extremely natural looking hairline, and of course this is how the wig comes out of the box, so it's very low maintenance. You don't have to do anything to it to achieve that natural look. And then you really have the flexibility to wear it brushed back and have that natural hairline, or change the part in whatever direction that you want to. Things like this really help you to personalize the wig to match your personal style. So you can either part it to the side, flip it to the other side, or of course you can part it in the middle as well. Let us know in the comments, what do you like better? Do you like a side part or do you prefer a middle part? Here's what Rohan looks like all the way around. Those are all the new styles that I have to show in today's video. Let us know in the comments below, which one of these two do you like better? Do you like Mira, which is the one that I wore at the beginning of the video, or do you like Rohan, which is the one that I'm wearing right now? I think both of these styles are absolutely stunning and really great for daily wear as well. Of course, both of these styles come in a wide range of colors, so be sure to check out our website, reneofparis.com, and you can view the full Amore catalog there to see all of the different color options that these wigs come in. There also was a new top piece that came out with this release, so if you like top pieces, be sure to check out the catalog for more info on the top piece as well. And of course, make sure you are following us on both Instagram and René of Paris for lots more pictures and videos of these wigs, many other wigs, and of course, as always, lots of wig styling tips and tutorials. Make sure you're following us on both Instagram and YouTube at René of Paris to stay up to date on all of our latest releases like these, and of course for more wig styling tips and tutorials. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time!